Let's dive into a comparison of two popular media center solutions, Emby and Kodi. We'll explore the core functions, strengths, and ideal use cases for each platform to help you determine which one best aligns with your media management and viewing needs. First, Emby Media Server Platform. Emby operates on a client-server model. You install the Emby server software on a central machine Windows, Mac OS Linux, or a NAS device. This server then organizes your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and photos into a unified, polished library, automatically fetching metadata like artwork and descriptions. Its primary strength is seamless streaming and access. Once set up, you can stream your media from the server to virtually any device: smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and web browsers both inside and outside your home network. Key features include user profiles, parental controls, live TV, DVR support with compatible hardware, and hardware-accelerated transcoding, which optimizes video playback for different devices and connection speeds. Important consideration: while basic streaming is free, advanced features like mobile sync, offline viewing, hardware transcoding, and DVR functionality require an MB Premier subscription. MB is ideal for users who want a centralized, Netflix-like experience for their personal media library, with easy remote access and broad device compatibility. Second, Kodi Open Source Media Player. Kodi takes a fundamentally different approach. It is a standalone open-source media player application that you install directly on a device, such as an Android TV box, Amazon Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi, Windows PC, or Mac OS computer. Kodi excels at local and network media playback. It provides powerful, high-fidelity playback for files stored on the device itself, on a network-attached storage NAS drive, or a shared folder. Its greatest asset is extensive customization. Through a vast ecosystem of community-developed add-ons and skins, you can transform its interface, integrate streaming sources, and add significant functionality. Important consideration: Kodi itself does not include a built-in server for remote streaming or automatic transcoding. Managing a consistent library across multiple devices requires more manual setup, and its flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve. Kodi is ideal for users who prioritize maximum control over their playback experience, enjoy deep customization, and primarily consume media on a single, powerful device or a local network. Direct comparison and verdict: choose Emby if you want a polished, user-friendly media server that effortlessly organizes your library and streams it to every screen in your home and beyond. It's the best choice for multi-user households seeking convenience, remote access, and broad device support, and you are willing to consider a subscription for premium features. Choose Kodi if you want a highly customizable, powerful media player for a primary viewing device. It's the superior option for tech-savvy users who value open-source software, extensive add-ons, local network performance, and wish to avoid any subscription fees. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priority: centralized streaming and accessibility, MB versus local playback, power, and customization. Kodi. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer for your setup. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful software breakdowns.